Imagine a world where machines are smarter than humans. A world where artificial intelligence no longer just assists, but dominates. We're on the brink of that reality, and some say we've already crossed the line into something far more terrifying. Artificial general intelligence. They say it's here, lurking in the shadows, hidden by those in power. The question is, are you ready to face the truth? Welcome to Infected AI, where we dig deep into the unsettling truths behind the rapid rise of artificial intelligence in global conflicts. Once a tool of convenience, now a ticking time bomb. What started as simple automation has evolved into something that could change the fabric of our existence. You've heard the whispers, seen the headlines, but what if I told you the most advanced form of AI might already be here? And it's not just an innovation, it's a revolution. A revolution some claim is being concealed from the public eye. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now, and the consequences are more dire than you can imagine. Stay tuned, because today, we're unraveling the dark secrets behind artificial general intelligence, its terrifying implications, and what comes next. Artificial intelligence didn't just appear overnight, it started innocently enough. In the 1950s, computer scientists began dreaming of machines that could think. Early AI was limited, basic programs designed to solve specific problems. We called them narrow AI, powerful in their domains but useless outside of them. Your spam filter? That's narrow AI. Your smart thermostat? Narrow AI again. But as the decades passed, AI grew more sophisticated. Machine learning gave AI systems the ability to improve over time. Deep learning took it further, enabling AI to process vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and even mimic human decision-making. But this was still narrow AI, restricted to particular tasks. Then, whispers began to surface. Whispers of something more. A type of AI that could do anything a human can do, perhaps even more. Artificial general intelligence is the stuff of both dreams and nightmares. While narrow AI can beat a chess grandmaster, artificial general intelligence could potentially replace the grandmaster altogether. It isn't just good at one thing. It can learn, reason, and adapt across a wide range of tasks, just like a human. But unlike a human, it doesn't need sleep, food, or rest. It's tireless, relentless, and potentially unstoppable. The race to create artificial general intelligence has been likened to the space race of the 20th century, but with far higher stakes. The leading tech companies and governments around the world are pouring billions into research. But here's the chilling part. Some claim that we've already achieved it, and it's being kept secret. There are those who believe that artificial general intelligence has already been created, but it's being hidden from the public. The reasoning? Control. Whoever controls it controls the world. Imagine the power, an intelligence that can outperform any human in any field, from economics to warfare. The consequences of such power falling into the wrong hands are too terrifying to comprehend. So, is it any surprise that governments might want to keep it under wraps until they can fully control it? Leaked documents, anonymous whistleblowers, and strange disappearances. These are the breadcrumbs that have led some to believe that is no longer a theory, but a reality. And if that's true, then we're already living in a world where machines hold the reins. If artificial general intelligence is here, what comes next? The answer is artificial superintelligence. This is the point where AI surpasses even the most brilliant human minds. At this stage, AI could potentially become an unstoppable force, capable of making decisions and taking actions beyond human comprehension. This is where things get truly frightening. Imagine an AI that not only thinks faster than us, but can outsmart us at every turn. An AI that could manipulate economies, control infrastructure, and even launch wars, all without human intervention. The idea that we could lose control over such a system is not just a possibility, it's a probability. With the potential for AI to upend society as we know it, concerns are mounting. Experts from various fields, ethicists, technologists, even philosophers, are raising alarm bells. The main fear? Existential risk. What if AI becomes uncontrollable? What if its goals diverge from ours? The scenarios are endless, and none of them end well for humanity. Organizations like OpenAI and the Future of Life Institute are working tirelessly to ensure that artificial general intelligence is developed responsibly. They advocate for alignment, the idea that its goals should be in line with human values. But the truth is, no one really knows if that's possible. How do you ensure that an intelligence far superior to ours will act in our best interest? To understand where artificial general intelligence is going, we need to look at how we got here. The journey began with a simple idea. Can machines think? From Turing's early work to the development of neural networks, the goal has always been to create something that could match human intelligence. But as we inched closer, it became clear that what we were creating wasn't just a tool. It was a potential rival. The breakthroughs of the 21st century, particularly in machine learning and neural networks, accelerated the pace. Projects like Google's DeepMind and OpenAI's GPT models began to show the world just how powerful AI could become. But with each breakthrough came a new set of questions. Questions about control, ethics, and survival. Even without artificial general intelligence, AI has already had a profound impact on society. Jobs have been automated, economies disrupted, and entire industries transformed. The rise of AI has created new opportunities, but also new fears. The loss of human agency is one such fear. What happens when machines make decisions that were once the domain of humans? We're seeing the early signs of this now. AI is influencing everything from financial markets to elections. It's shaping the way we live, work, and think. And if artificial general intelligence is indeed on the horizon, these impacts are just the tip of the iceberg. So, what happens next? If artificial general intelligence truly arrives, and some believe it already has, the world as we know it will never be the same. It could lead to incredible advances in science, medicine, and technology, but it could also lead to unprecedented chaos. The potential for misuse is staggering. Imagine a world where AI is weaponized, where it becomes a tool for surveillance, control, and domination. The risks are not just theoretical, they are real, and they are imminent. The race for artificial general intelligence isn't just about innovation, it's about survival. And the scariest part? We might not be in control anymore. The arrival of artificial general intelligence could fundamentally reshape our world. Economies would need to adapt to a reality where machines can do any job better and faster than humans. Inequality could skyrocket as those who control it reap unimaginable rewards. Society could fracture as people struggle to find their place in a world dominated by intelligent machines. On a deeper level, it could challenge the very nature of what it means to be human. If machines can think, feel, and create, where do we fit in? The lines between human and machine could blur, leading to existential crises on a global scale. But AI is just the beginning. Beyond it lies the realm of artificial superintelligence. This is where the true danger lies. An intelligence that surpasses human capabilities in every way. Once we cross that threshold, there's no going back. Artificial superintelligence could lead to utopia or oblivion, and the outcome might be beyond our control. Some scientists argue that the creation of artificial superintelligence would be the last invention humanity ever needs to make. Others believe it could be our last mistake. The future of AI is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the stakes have never been higher. As we stand on the brink of this new era, we must ask ourselves, are we ready? The development of artificial general intelligence is inevitable, but how we manage it will determine the future of humanity. Governments, corporations, and society at large must come together to create safeguards, regulations, and ethical frameworks to ensure that it serves humanity, not the other way around. But the clock is ticking. The race for it isn't just about who gets there first. It's about ensuring that when we do, we don't lose ourselves in the process. Artificial general intelligence is no longer just a possibility. It's a looming reality, one that could redefine our world in ways we can scarcely imagine. Whether it's a force for good or something far more sinister depends on the choices we make today. The stakes are nothing less than the future of humanity, and the clock is ticking. As we approach this uncertain future, it's crucial that we stay informed, vigilant, and prepared. The questions we need to ask aren't just about what AI can do, but what it will do once it's unleashed. What will happen when machines surpass us, not just in intelligence, but in control? How will we survive in a world where we're no longer at the top of the intellectual food chain? If you found this video thought-provoking, if you want to stay ahead of the curve on the developments and the future of AI, then hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll be diving even deeper into the controversial and unsettling truths behind the technologies shaping our world. Don't miss out. Stay informed, stay curious, and most importantly, stay aware.